What is silage? When we have nutritious green fodder available in ample quantity and at low rates with 60 to 65% moisture in them, then we cut or chop them, press them, and keep them for a minimum of 45 days in airtight or anaerobic conditions. Then it is called as silage. After 45 days, we can take out the silage and use it anytime for a period of 1 to 1.5 years.
Silage is like a fixed deposit. When green fodder is at its highest nutritive stage, we cut it in a single day and preserve it or save it in silage bags, pits, bunkers, or bales, just like we save our money in bank fixed deposits. You can call silage as your fodder bank, from where the interest that you get is increased milk production, increased fertility of your animals, timely heat and body score, and improved health, which is as good as of these animals here.